Hello 5th class, this is page 131, question 5. Eli spent 5/12 of his money buying a hurley. We have to write what decimal and then what percentage of his money he spent and estimate first. Okay, so he spent 5/12 of his money. Well, 5/12 is a little bit less than half, so I'm expecting it to be less than 50%. And less than 0.5. Now 4/12, that would be a third, so it'll be bigger than that, and a third is 33%, or 0.33. So my estimate is somewhere between 0.33 and 0.5, so I guess somewhere in the region of 0.4, 0.45, somewhere there I think is where my decimal will be. Now, how do I work it out? Well, I can work it out on paper. So there's my 5. And I'm going to divide it by 12. 12 into 5 doesn't go. So I'm going to carry my 5. 12 fours are 48. And I've carried 2. 12 goes into 20 just once. And I have a remainder of 8. And 12 into 80, well, how many 12s do we have into 80? 12 5s are 60, and 12 6s are 72. Now I could keep going here, but it did say to 3 decimal places, so I'm going to stop. So that would be 0.416. So my estimate wasn't too bad. Or as a percentage, 41.6%. Let's check that with the calculator. So that would be 5 divided by 12%. 41.66666. There we go.